Hello, everyone. I'd like to start off by thanking you all for attending this webinar and being a part of today. I'd also like to start off by introducing myself. My name is Emily Boysenalt. I'm an account executive here at SES America, focused on our mobility product line. I manage sales associated with our smaller scale signs, such as lane control and blank out signs. My main focus is providing the most sensible solution for each client and creating customized solutions to meet the needs of each project's specifications. Please feel free to submit any questions in your chat box on your browser, and at the end, I will open up the floor to answer these questions or any feedback that you may have had. I'd also like to introduce Dave Conley and John Maple. Dave is our technical support engineer, and John is our operations and quality manager. They will be available at the end to help me answer any questions that you guys may bring to the table. So let's get started with the agenda. I'd like to start off with some background on SES America and the role that we play in the transportation industry, followed by a deeper dive into the specialized mobility products that we offer. SES America was founded in 1986 and established in Rhode Island. We have a single market focus in the transportation industry and distribute signage across the US and Canada while continuing to expand our reach. We are constantly innovating new technology and applying it to our products to keep up to date with today's always advancing technical society. All of our products and their components are NEMA rated and third-party laboratory tested. We provide NTCIP compliant systems when they are called for, and we're also ISO 9001 certified for quality management systems. A main focus at SES America is our customer service and support. We provide 24/7, 365-day technical support addressed personally by one of our technicians. Each project is not only assigned a technician, but also an account manager to ensure our focus on each project and our availability to our customers. In addition to our off-the-shelf products, we also manufacture entirely customizable ones. Our team works diligently to fill the requirements of any project, whether it's a single sign, a more complex ITS system, or a customized solution. We're a company that's constantly working towards being the best that we can be. We've recently been recognized and awarded Best Place to Work in Rhode Island, Best Manufacturing and Overall Excellence, and Product of the Year for our solar signs. So now that you have a little background about our company, let's move on to the product line we're here to discuss, mobility. We're often asked what mobility means. To us, it can be summed up in 3 words: inform, flow, and direct. These are the key words that are used to describe the function of this product line. We created this product line to address the issues that are faced in the transportation industry, including increasing the road safety for all, reducing and mitigating traffic congestion on the roads, maximizing budgets and fundings for our sources, offering our customers with universal solutions to any problem or project that they might encounter, and providing simple operation and maintenance of our products. I'm going to quickly review how each of these points can be addressed using our mobility products. With the use of our warning systems, traffic calming, detection and relay, alert mechanisms, sign fault or fail detection, SES America works towards increasing road safety for all. Here are a quick few facts about our road safety in the United States. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, 2 million individuals are injured each year in motor vehicle accidents. 32,000 individuals are killed each year in motor vehicle accidents. Now, these numbers, while startling, do not truly demonstrate the unnecessary loss of life in the United States until they are compared on a global scale. Take, for example, these Nordic countries: Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Finland, and Iceland. Based on data provided by the World Health Organization, all of these countries combined only experienced 911 motor vehicle-related casualties in 2015. That's a pretty big difference. And there's a number of different reasons why these countries have significantly lower numbers, one of which is their use for more signage and intelligent transportation systems on their roadways. Another major problem, which I'm sure many of you face daily, maybe even today, is traffic. Traffic is a major reason for not only accidents, but also the loss of commuters' time and money. We're working on reducing these problems through our product's ability to help with lane management, display accurate and accessible travel time information to commuters, and provide resources for traffic management and monitoring systems. And just to put this into perspective, according to the Texas Transportation Institute, each hour stuck in traffic costs about $21 in wasted time and fuel. And countrywide, 1.9 billion gallons of fuel are wasted annually due to this road congestion. That's a lot of commuters' time and money that's being wasted. And while we're on cost savings, as we all know, budgeting for the DOTs and funding for our roadways is extremely limited. Our mobility products offer an overall more affordable solution. In addition to their low installation costs, their less complex systems, making them easier to manage and maintain, and their energy efficiency, which allows them to be fully solar powered. We work towards maximizing budgeting and funding by offering these affordable solutions to our customers. At SES America, we don't just sell products, we sell ITS solutions. This means we are prepared to do whatever it takes to meet the needs of our clients and their projects, even if it means that we have to reinvent our signs to do it, making these signs entirely universal for all roadways. And our final approach, the easy maintenance and operation of our signs. These turnkey solutions require no technical training whatsoever. An ITS warranty, ready-to-ship parts, and a lifetime technical support warranty are included with every sign to ensure their ease of maintenance throughout their life cycle and service. So now that you know a little bit about our mobility line and its approach, let's get to the products we're here to talk about. The 4 mobility products are blankout signs, travel time signs, lane control, and variable speed limit. First up is our blankout signs. Our unique use of LED string technology allows us to display multiple messages and graphics utilizing just one sign. We use weather-tight grommets to surround our LEDs, keeping them in place and allowing the option to eliminate a polycarbonate face. With this option, it results in a higher than normal contrast ratio and the reduction of any possibility of glare. These signs are also available in MUTCD compliant symbols, but have the option to be entirely customizable and open to design by our customers. With the combination of our automatic brightness adjustment and LED string technology, these signs are extremely energy efficient and solar capable. They also allow the capability to alert the TMC or user if there is an LED out or fault with the sign. These signs are entirely customizable, even in their size. This means you could make a sign up to 20 feet long, perfect for highway use. With the use of simple turnkey maintenance, there is no need for tools or electrical training. They can be integrated with any ITS systems, including those that are NTCIP compliant. To our knowledge, no other sign on the market has the ability to do this. You can find these signs being used for traffic calming, railroads, directionals, warnings, in addition to a wide range of applications, such as pedestrian and vehicle detections, intersections, bridges, tunnels, tolls, overhead detection, weigh stations, and much more. A perfect example of our blankout signs being used on the highway is a project done for Georgia DOT. We provided 30 customized blankout signs, each of which had the ability to display 2 different messages. They sized at 3 feet high and 14 feet long. These signs were used for a weigh in motion application and were integrated with pavement sensors, alerting truckers whether or not they were above the weight and needed to enter the weigh station. This application saves truckers time and fuel on their daily routes, while also reducing congestion on the highways. This is an alternative solution to a costly dynamic message sign. Just to give you an idea, mobility products allow an 85% cost savings when compared to the purchase of a dynamic message sign. You must also take into account the additional amount being saved on installations, maintenance, and energy draw of these signs. And next up is our travel time signs. These signs are available in any size, color, or dimension. Their lightweight and slim housing makes them easy to access and install. These signs can run off of our full-color NTCIP touchscreen SCU6 controller, allowing users to do system diagnostics and fault detections locally or remotely. This controller is also capable of recording real-time events and storing the data for up to a year. Just one controller can control up to 10 different signs at one time. These signs also have the option to be fully solar powered, using the controller to check diagnostics and power statuses. We recently developed and launched a new concept, the Turnkey Travel Time Station. This unique ITS solution provides a complete package, allowing our travel time signs to be totally self-sufficient, gathering data from the cloud automatically and displaying it on our signs. This eliminates the need for any Bluetooth readers or expensive infrastructures. This also allows our users the ability to deploy real-time, reliable communication at a fraction of the cost and complexity, allowing DOTs, law enforcement, emergency management, and even event venues to use these signs. Because they are adaptive, they can be used on highways or in towns, cities, or even rural areas. Recently, our team provided MassDOT with over 350 travel time signs and 3 full-size DMS, all of which were solar-powered with 30 days built-in autonomy. We customized the design of their adjustable housing to be complete with tilting angle capabilities. This GoTime project is the single largest standalone travel time system in the country. Now on to our lane control signs. These signs allow our customers the option to display 2, 4, or 6 phases, as well as our full matrix. The combination of high-performance LEDs, a high-contrast front mask, and specialized electrical design are what make up these signs. Their NEMA-rated housing, contrast border, and automatic brightness adjustment ensure that each of these signs meets and exceeds industry standards with clear, legible, and reliable messaging. These signs can be powered via dry contact or with our NTCIP compliant controller. This enables vigilant monitoring and management of these signs. This slide actually shows an example of our full matrix lane control sign. And as mentioned before, like our other signs, when paired with our controller, it enables monitoring functions like fault detection, one-year memory capability, and web-based software. With just the use of an IP address and a wireless device, field operations personnel can manage and diagnose issues from miles away. This unique design allows DOTs to effectively reduce energy consumption and minimize long-range maintenance costs. Lane control signs can be used for more than just the obvious lane management. Some further applications include HOV lanes, tolls, tunnels, and bridges. SES America provided 54 lane control signs for the Halifax-McDonald Bridge upgrade. This project came complete with NTCIP intelligence and conflict monitoring, giving the ability to store up to a year's worth of data. These mobility signs were implemented to support lane management, traffic flow, and safety for the drivers on the McDonald Bridge. And last, but certainly not least, in our product lineup is our variable speed limit signs. Meeting the repeated ITS industry needs, SESA's variable speed limit signs provide every feature required to meet industry standards and integrate efficiently with ITS systems. Like all of our signs, they come entirely customizable in size and color with the option to display MUTCD compliant fonts in white or amber. They can be overhead or pole mounted and come equipped with our automatic brightness adjustment. When they're paired with our SCU6 controller, you can conduct functionality assessments from any location. And being NTCIP compliant, the user is able to change the display, store history, and much more. Variable speed limit signs can be used for traffic calming and management in towns, cities, roads, or highways. They're built to withstand an assortment of roadway conditions and can be customized to fit a range of climatic conditions or community preferences. And because of our energy efficiency, all of our signs have the ability to be fully solar powered. And as proponents of energy efficiency, our sign's functionality is 30% more efficient than the industry standard. For each case, we provide solar calculations, which are derived using site surveys by our trained technicians and supplemented against government data. This determines the load analysis, PV array, and battery bank configurations for each of our solar systems. These solar system solutions are fully operational and dependable 24/7, even in harsh weather conditions. So after learning a little bit more about our products, you can see how our mobility line can be used to increase road safety, reduce and mitigate traffic congestion, maximize budgets and funding, offer universal solutions, and are simple to operate and maintain. Please feel free to visit our website for any additional information on our company or signage. Our website provides product specifications, data sheets, downloadable resources, and also allows you the ability to get free customized designs and quotes. Some of our other product lines include retrofit upgrades, solar signs, Messenger, and DMS Connect. Thank you all for your time here today. I will now invite John Maple and Dave Conley into the conversation and open the floor up to any questions, comments, or feedback from the audience.
Good afternoon. This is John Maple and Dave Conley. Is there any questions we can answer this afternoon?
No, overall, I think it was a good presentation. I have no questions.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much. I hope we've inspired you to visit our website, and as you gather ideas and needs, give us a call.
Hey, John, we have a question about if our signs have been approved by Caltrans.
Well, that's a very good question. Currently, we've not been tested specifically by Caltrans, though there are a number of agencies in California that have been getting quotes from us and are interested in the product. And we do have, I believe we do have a number of way station signs as well that are currently deployed in California. That's true.
Jimmy Sitz also wants to know if any are used in Oklahoma.
I would have to research that. I don't believe that is the case, but I would be happy to research that and get back to him.
Okay. And he also wants to know what Midwest cities are currently using our signs.
Midwest cities. That's again, that's a great question. Let's see. We have product in the Midwest. Yeah, I again, I would have to go through. It's a pretty extensive list. I believe we're in many states across the U.S. We're in Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee. Do we have anything in Tennessee yet? Texas. Hundreds in Texas. There's hundreds in Texas.
And then Jeremy Lafavere, sorry if I said that wrong. Can you repeat or send out the data regarding the money lost while stuck in traffic? Yes, I can. It is $21 an hour. Hold on 1 second. Let me just get my PowerPoint back. Are you guys able to see this changing?
Yes.
Okay, great. So here we are. $21 in wasted time and fuel each hour in traffic, and then 1.9 billion gallons of fuel wasted annually.
That's huge.
Yeah, that's a lot of money. And then Jimmy, are there guidance documents available on your website? Guidance documents as far as any data regarding accident mitigation. We don't have any data for the accident mitigation, something that you could probably find online. We'd be able to find that as well, Jimmy. And I can send that to you after the presentation if you'd like via email. The documents on this webinar, I see Jimmy Sitt's question about, are the documents included on this webinar on the website? They won't be on the website, but they will be sent directly to you. And then any other questions from anyone else? I'm going to assume not. And of course, you guys can feel free to reach out to me at any time for any additional information via phone or, you know, even by email is fine. And I'd just like to end by thanking you all again for taking the time to be here today. You'll also be receiving emails of this PowerPoint presentation for your own reference. And that's about it. So thanks again, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.